Welcome back to our weekly update. I'm Charlotte McLeod with investingnews.com, and I'm here to give you a quick look at our top stories for the week. Gold and silver prices were on the move this week, with the former hitting $23.50 per ounce on May 9th, and the latter breaking the $28 per ounce mark. Market participants continue to digest the U.S. Federal Reserve's decision to leave interest rates unchanged, and a recent Gallup poll shows that persistent inflation is affecting the public's faith in Chair Jerome Powell. While 39% of U.S. adults have a great deal or a fair amount of confidence that he will do the right thing for the economy, that's up only 3% from a year ago. Confidence in Powell is much higher among Democrats and Republicans at 56% versus 30%. Across the pond, all eyes were on the Bank of England, which, like the Fed, held interest rates steady at its latest meeting. However, officials seem relatively confident that inflation is being reined in, with rate cuts possible in June. CME Group's FedWatch tool shows that the Fed is expected to leave rates unchanged at its June and July meetings, with a 50.3% likelihood of a cut in September. The next Consumer Price Index reading is due out on May 15th. South Koreans are eager to get their hands on gold, and retailers are delivering. Since April, the country's largest convenience store chain has been selling miniature gold bars weighing between 0.1 and 1.87 grams, and they're flying off the shelves. 1-gram bars reportedly sold out within 2 days, with people in their 30s being strong buyers. Another chain is even selling gold wafers from vending machines. If you've been following gold demand trends, this story out of South Korea will likely sound familiar. It's similar to the gold beans trend that swept China earlier this year, and it's also in the same vein as Costco's foray into gold sales. While the experts I've spoken with have emphasized that buying gold in such small denominations generally isn't cost-effective, they've been encouraged to see wider demographics take an interest in the metal. Argentum Exploration, a company owned by GB News investor Sir Paul Marshall, has lost a legal battle with South Africa over $42 million worth of salvaged silver. Back in 2017, Argentum recovered the silver from a World War II-era shipwreck in the Indian Ocean. It launched a claim for salvage, but South Africa said it was the rightful owner. The metal was sold to the country by India for use in South African and Egyptian coins. Although South Africa didn't ask Argentum to retrieve the metal, several courts have now ruled against Argentum, making South Africa immune to its salvage claim. I'll leave the links to these stories in the video description if you'd like to learn more. That's all for this week. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We'd also love to hear your thoughts, so leave us a comment below. We'll see you next time.